Imagine drifting through pitch black, freezing water for 5 centuries, completely blind while parasites cling to your eyeballs. This isn't the premise of a deep-sea horror film, it is the everyday reality of the Greenland shark, the longest living vertebrate on our planet. While most of the world's predators are built for speed and aggression, this 7-meter giant has mastered the art of the ultimate slow-motion survival. It lives in a world where the pressure is 600 times that of the surface and the temperature hovers just above freezing. In the time it takes for one Greenland shark to reach reproductive age, entire human empires have risen and fallen. But how does a creature this massive survive on a knife edge where food is almost non-existent? To understand the Greenland shark, we have to descend into the midnight zone, where the rules of biology are turned completely upside down. As we drop past 1,000 meters, all sunlight disappears. This is the bathypelagic zone, a realm that should, by all logic, be empty. Yet, the deeper we go, the stranger and larger the inhabitants become, a phenomenon known as deep-sea gigantism. From the giant squid to the Japanese spider crab, the abyss is a kingdom of leviathans. But why grow big in a place with so little to eat? The answer lies in 2 fundamental rules of biology. First, there's Bergmann's rule, which suggests that animals in freezing environments evolve larger bodies to better manage their internal states. In the frigid Arctic depths, being huge isn't just an advantage, it's a survival requirement for maintaining thermal stability. Then, there's Kleiber's law. A Greenland shark that weighs 1,400 kilograms is actually far more biologically efficient than a smaller fish. By being massive and incredibly slow, these giants can store vast amounts of energy, allowing them to survive for months between meals. In the abyss, the food chain is held together by a ghostly phenomenon called marine snow. This is a constant rain of organic detritus, dead plankton, fecal pellets, and rotting scraps, drifting down from the surface. For many, this is the only source of calories available. However, the Greenland shark is more than just a scavenger of dust. These sharks have been found with the remains of fish, squid, and even polar bears and horses in their stomachs. But they aren't chasing this prey down in epic battles. The Greenland shark is an opportunistic sit-and-wait predator. Perhaps the most haunting part of their survival is their blindness. Almost all Greenland sharks are plagued by specialized crustaceans that attach to their eyes, destroying their vision. But in a world of total darkness, sight is a luxury they don't need. They navigate using a suite of other senses, drifting like 500-year-old ghosts through the water. Take the supergiant amphipod, a creature that is usually the size of a gnat but grows to the size of a guinea pig in the trenches. They have even developed unique enzymes that allow them to digest driftwood that sinks to the bottom. In the deep, nothing is wasted. This extreme survival strategy comes with a trade-off: a life lived in the ultimate slow lane. Greenland sharks don't even reach adulthood until they are roughly 150 years old. By carbon dating the proteins in their eyes, scientists have identified individuals that may be over 500 years old. These sharks were swimming in the Arctic when Michelangelo was painting the Sistine Chapel. They are living time capsules, having survived centuries of stability in the deep. But this stability is now under threat. Overfishing, plastic pollution, and shifting ocean chemistry mean that the knife edge they live on is getting sharper every day. The Greenland shark reminds us that intelligence and speed aren't the only ways to win the game of evolution. Sometimes, the most successful strategy is simply to outlast everyone else. While we look to the stars for alien life, we often forget that creatures with half a millennium of history are living right beneath the ice. The deep sea isn't just a dark void, it is a testament to the infinite possibilities of life. If we want to keep discovering these wonders, we have to protect the silent, ancient world they call home. If you want to dive deeper into the mysteries of the abyss or learn more about other masters of the ocean, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.